Meaning of front-end.
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 Front-end. In web development, front-end refers to the part of a website or application that is visible and interacts directly with users. This includes the user interface design, UI, and user experience, UX, as well as the coding languages and frameworks used to create and manipulate that interface, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The front end is responsible for ensuring that a website or application is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and responsive to user input. Therefore, it is critical to the success of any online platform.